Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
It's these days the larger question has become, keeping in mind the elections that are happening in the country. I want your perspective on the larger picture, because there are people in the society, those who still criticize government for putting ban on the movies, asking government for snatching the freedom of expression, their right. Now the same people are coming out asking for a ban. The same people are coming out, the people belonging to their fraternity are coming out, sending you legal notices. I mean, what kind of a hypocrisy, and this is certain kind of a duplicity. On one end, they shout that freedom of expression is being snatched. On the other end, when your film is on the release, legal notices have been sent. When Prime Minister Modi's biopic is on the release, they go to election commission, they ask for the ban on the release in the election period. What kind of a duplicity, your perspective on it?
All I have to say is, my first memory of censoring and banning is when the great lyricist and shair and poet Shri Majrooh Sultanpuri was sent behind the bars. He was arrested because he wrote a poem which was critical of Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. And since then I have seen even the greatest of the artists like Gulzar, their films have been banned. Salman Rushdie's books have been banned. M.F. Hussain has been banned. In this, we became a country of banning and censorship. We had some kind of a parallel justice system in this country. Okay, in fact, if you look at it very closely, all these bold political films they have released in last few years, and which is a great sign, which means the society is maturing, which means the youth of this country is making this change. And technology is also changing. I think a growing democracy like ours, a vibrant, robust democracy like ours, should welcome all kinds of subjects. I am absolutely against banning and censoring any kind of thing. So I think these are politically motivated, some people, because, and I can say it openly, I have no shame in saying this because of my personal experience. When my first film came, Buddha in a Traffic Jam, they beat me up, they've assaulted me, they have tried to ban it everywhere, and I had to run door to door and university to university to show it to people. With this film, they have been sending threats non-stop. If you look at my phone's DM, you'll be shocked and surprised to see, and you'll say, why are you so quiet? The reason we have been so quiet, because we don't want any controversy around our film. Absolutely no controversy. We knew that these people will come after us. That's why we went quiet. It's very easy to give an answer and start a controversy because we believe that it's a very sensitive subject. Shastriji was the most humble, honest Prime Minister of this country. What he achieved in short period of 11 months in this country, people haven't achieved in 11 years of Prime Ministership. And therefore, we owe it to him. This is our Shraddhanjali, a tribute to him. We don't want any controversy around it.
So another question adding on to what I asked before. So when film comes supporting their particular mindset or prejudice, then that film is based on reality. Films like yours, films like PM Biopic is called as propaganda, pushed by an agenda or a propaganda during election season. And as you know what happened with PM Biopic. So how do you see this? I want your reaction on this duplicity.
See, this duplicity problem is that in India, in last 60 years of ruling, they have created a huge ecosystem in policy, in academia, in media, in a whole lot of places they have their own people. And whenever you do not talk about anything which promotes them or which safeguards their interest or anything which attacks or questions them, they immediately want it to be censored and banned, and that's why books after books, places after place. Tell me one thing, so many honest journalists, their bodies are found next to railway line. When was it happening? Why was it happening? Why journalists are attacked in this country all the times? We have made it a culture, and I am against that. I don't want to name anybody, but we have done a lot of injustice by banning and censoring things, and there is definitely a duplicity. If that's my film, they'll start calling it, they'll say it's a propaganda. But today, if you make a film on Godra, they will say it's the most revolutionary film. For so many years now, so many decisions have come. For 13, 14 years, propaganda has been run. Samjhauta Express, so much of propaganda has been run. Saffron terrorism, so much of propaganda has been run. But they think they are doing a revolutionary thing, and that is dissent. Tukde Tukde is dissent. But talking about the unity of the country is propaganda. So this hypocrisy must be exposed.
Vivek sir, here. On your left side. Simran Singh here from First Post. So my question to you, sir, do you think that today we are living in an age where, where there's no creative liberty, even if you're saying that our film is a tribute to Shastriji, So do you think that we still live in a age where where there is no creative liberty, and there's a suppressment, and there's something which is always stopping you, or always stopping a director to show his vision? What do you want to say about it?
See, it's not that I'm scared of any kind of resistance, or it's that I can't fight that resistance. But I think it's a culture which has developed over 60, 70 years. And when dictatorships and family rules, dynastic rules, they always promote this kind of culture. And that's why you will find that in their party there is no democracy. And that is the culture we are facing. But we also have, on the one hand, people who come out and they make different kind of films. If you see especially in last 4 or 5 years, look the films, we have Indian themes, rural themes, we have all kinds of themes, and films like Accidental Prime Minister, films like Mine, they are coming out, which is a very good sign.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, पिछले कई सालों से हम देख रहे हैं कि इस बार जिस तरीके से बॉलीवुड की फिल्में बनी हैं, खुलकर सब्जेक्ट पे बातें हुई हैं, खुलकर फिल्में बनी हैं, जैसे अभी आपने फिल्म है, ऐसा पहले नहीं हुआ सर, और अब जब हो रहा है तो उस पर जो है सर रोक लगाने की बात जैसे की जा रही है।
देखिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पिछले 3, 4, 5 साल में हमारा फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा भी है। एक तरह का बोलने की आज़ादी, व्यक्त करने की आज़ादी बहुत बढ़ी भी है। इसीलिए आप देखिए, पहले मैं जब बड़ा हो रहा था तब आप प्रधानमंत्री को इस तरह से गाली नहीं दे सकते थे, संभव ही नहीं था। आप खुद ही आप सब जर्नलिज्म में आप खुद मुझे ये बताइए कि क्या 2014 के पहले जो हमारी लीडर थी श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी, आपने कभी सुना है कि कोई जर्नलिस्ट या लोग या लड़के या स्टूडेंट्स उनको इस तरह से बोलते हो जिस तरह से आज की लीडरशिप को बोलते हैं? आज आप पब्लिक में लोग गालियां भी लिखते हैं, लोग क्या क्या नहीं लिखते हैं, बोलते हैं, पर उसके पीछे एक टेक्नोलॉजिकल रीज़न भी है और एक सोसाइटी का माइंडसेट भी चेंज हुआ है। जब सोसाइटी कॉन्फिडेंट होती है, आज़ाद होती है, तो अपने को अलग अलग तरह से एक्सप्रेस करती है। और आप देखिए, इसलिए अलग अलग तरह की बुक्स लिखी जा रही हैं। आप कभी बुक स्टोर में जाके देखिए, ऐसे ऐसे विषयों पे बुक लिखी जा रही हैं जो पहले कभी कोई लिखता ही नहीं था। आज हम लोग ऐसी ऐसी वेब सीरीज़ बना रहे हैं। आप देखिए, बोस पे वेब सीरीज़ आई है, तरह तरह के सब्जेक्ट्स पे काम हो रहा है। और मेरे ख्याल से अगले आने वाले 5-6 साल जो हैं, वो भारत का जो यूथ है, एक नैरेटिव का नया डायमेंशन लेके आने वाला है, विच इज़ अ गुड साइन।
विवेक जी, व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स नेक्स्ट? व्हाट डू यू प्लान टू डू अबाउट दिस नाउ?
देखिए, जो लीगल प्रोसेस है शमा जी, वो तो लीगलिटी से ही सॉल्व होगी, उसके लिए लॉयर्स हैं। हम लोग, मैं और पल्लवी, हमने डिसाइड किया, वी बेसिकली वांटेड टू कीप very isolated from the media, and we just wanted to have one-on-one conversation which is required to promote the film. That's all, very hygiene kind of thing. That's why आप देखेंगी हमारी फिल्म कुछ ज़्यादा हम लोगों ने प्रमोट भी नहीं किया उस तरह से। लेकिन अब मुझे ऐसा लगा पब्लिक डोमेन में आज सुबह से तरह तरह की बातें चल रही हैं, जैसे हमने कोई गुनाह किया हो, जैसे हमने कोई गलती की हो कि इनकी फिल्म को रोका जाए। तो वी डिसाइडेड दैट जो पब्लिक डोमेन में है, कम से कम आके हम सच लोगों से बात करें, ताकि पब्लिक डोमेन में उस पर फुल स्टॉप लगे।